Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to do a quick review on how to compare fractions. Remember, the greater the denominator, the smaller the fraction piece. However, if the numerators are different, use your tools. Whatever you're comfortable with, fraction bars, fraction circles, or your fraction number line. Here are the fractions that I have to put in order from least to greatest. 5/6, 1/4, 4/6, 3/6, and 3/4. First, I notice that 3/6 and 3/4 have the same numerator, so I can look at their denominator to compare them. Here are sixths, here are fourths. 3/4 looks like that, and 3/6 looks like this. I can tell that 3/4 is greater than 3/6. Again, the smaller the denominator, the larger the fraction, and that trick works when the numerators are the same. So far I know that 3/4 are greater than 3/6. So I'm starting to put them in order, but I'm not done yet because I still have to look at all of my other fractions. Sometimes the numerators aren't the same. Then I need to use my tools to look even further. Let's look at 4/6 and 1/4. For these two fractions, I'm going to use my number line. So I'm looking for 1/4, which is here, and 4/6, which is here. I can tell that 1/4 is closer to 0, so 1/4 is less than 4/6. So 1/4 should be on the left side of 4/6. Perfect. I also know 1/4 is definitely less than 3/4. 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2, so I know 2/4 is a half, so this has to go to the left of 3/6. And I know 4/6 is greater than 4/6 because it's got one more 6. Last piece is 5/6. Is 5/6 less than or greater than 3/4? Let's go back to our number line. 3/4 is here, and 5/6 is here. 5/6 is closer to 1/2, so 5/6 is greater. That means it goes here. Here are my fractions in order from least to greatest. I can now use my number line and check that all of them are in the right spot, or use my fraction tools to double check my work.